If you're wondering how to track and pay remote employees globally, you're in the right place. Oyster is a powerful tool that makes managing international teams effortless. And in this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how it works. First things first, Oyster simplifies the entire process of managing remote employees across different countries. Whether you have one team member in Europe or an entire department spread out globally, Oyster allows you to onboard, pay, and ensure compliance with ease. It's built to handle the complexities of global employment, so you don't have to worry about navigating different labor laws, tax requirements, or payment systems. With Oyster, you can streamline your payroll processes. You input your employees' details once, and Oyster handles the rest. It automatically converts currency based on the employee's location, ensuring that everyone gets paid accurately and on time. Whether you have employees in multiple countries or just one, this means no more manual calculations or messy spreadsheets. Managing compliance with international labor laws is another major pain point that Oyster solves. Each country has its own set of rules regarding payroll, benefits, taxes, and contracts. Oyster automatically ensures that your team is compliant with local regulations, so you don't have to spend hours researching each country's rules. It's all integrated and automated, reducing the risk of errors that could cost you. What's more, Oyster doesn't just handle payroll. It's a full suite of HR tools that allow you to track employee time, create contracts, and even provide benefits. You can onboard new employees directly through the platform, which includes document storage and signing features. This makes it easier to keep everything organized, all in one place, without relying on third-party software. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. From a dashboard, you can see everything in one glance: your global team, payroll details, and compliance statuses. This makes it much simpler for HR managers to stay on top of things, no matter how large or small the team is. One of the things that set Oyster apart is how it scales with your business. If you're starting small with just a couple of remote employees, Oyster can help you get set up quickly. But as your company grows, Oyster grows with you. Whether you're hiring a few more people or expanding into new countries, the software adapts, so you don't need to worry about outgrowing it. Now, if you're wondering if it's affordable, here's something great. You can try Oyster for free using the exclusive link below. This trial allows you to test out the platform's features, so you can see for yourself how it works before committing. In addition, we've got a special bonus just for you, a more extended free trial period, giving you extra time to explore all the features. As you can see, Oyster makes it simple to track and pay remote employees globally, so you can focus on growing your business instead of stressing over payroll and compliance. Don't forget to check the link below to get your exclusive extended free trial. In the end, Oyster is a must-have tool for anyone managing remote teams around the world. It removes the hassle of international payroll and compliance, making it the perfect solution for your global business needs. Try it out today and see how it can make your remote team management smoother and more efficient.